Today I'm a bit excited. I'm gonna ride for the first time in 6 months almost. I've been pretty busy with finishing our house build, and in the last stage it got a little bit too much physical work for my injured back, so it broke down 2 times. So I had to take it easy. But around 6 weeks ago the last time, and now I'm on my rehab training, so it feels a little bit better. So it's time to try, and I'm double excited because it will be the first ride since I installed the SmartCarb. So it will be very interesting to see how that works. So let me finish gearing up and let's go riding. Just a quick stop to get rid of one of my 2 backpacks. Yes, this is some kind of water reservoir for the rubber plantation here, but it doesn't look like they are using it anymore. This morning at 6:45 a.m. the temperature was 14 degrees Celsius, and when I got to this area to ride at 9 a.m. it was 19 degrees Celsius, and the temperature is increasing very fast during the day. That was one of the reasons that I wanted to buy the SmartCarb, because it can go from 14 like in the morning or even colder, and today it's supposed to be 32, but later this week it's going to be 36. So there's big differences in temperature during the day here in Thailand, so that was one of the reasons to why I wanted to have the SmartCarb. So let's see how it's working. At least it starts very easily. It's really quiet and calm out here in the jungle. Really refreshing. Let's see if I can find my way back. So that was my first ride in nearly 6 months, and that was really, really fun. I really missed it. And I did 1.5 hours, I think, and I was out for 2.5 hours. The temperature is now 27 degrees Celsius, so from 14 in the morning and 19 when I got here, it's up to 27, 2.5 hours later. So it's big temperature differences here in Thailand. And regarding SmartCarb, I think it felt much more crisp. It was, first of all, running more smoothly, and when giving some gas, it felt like it was crisper. It responded a bit faster. So for me, I think this is a really good thing. Is it worth it? I'm not sure, because I was a little bit unlucky. The import fees from the USA to Thailand were extremely high, nearly 44%. So it became a little bit expensive, I have to say, especially maybe for this bike. But since I don't like to do the jetting and stuff, and the temperature and the humidity and then elevation, everything changes a lot, this will make my riding life a lot easier. So for me, in the end, I think it was worth it. And I will do a little bit more tuning because I think it's still a little bit rich, because they are setting them rich. But I will do some more riding before I start to tune. But I'm super happy with this, and riding the trails suits me so much better than these Supercross inspired tracks. And it's so much more comfortable with the enduro settings on the suspension. It's not that stiff, so I really like this. And today I found some really nice trails, smaller dirt roads, so I enjoyed this, but I will have pain in my body tomorrow, that's for sure. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.